Carbon, manalili! Asa ka pa, Dong?
Hey guys, it's me, Dorong Dave.
And it's David Wild X and this is
David!
Yes!
So, kasi ka-wonder mo anong na ako sa Jeep no? So karon ako na sa modernity. Kay mo baus ko niya kung giunsa ko niya last week.
Open.
What are you waiting for?
Toyota! Himuon na to siya conductor for one whole route. So, I'm so excited for this kay everyone knows nga di sa Conyo kit ba yan. So you're there is ikaw ang conductor ani nga jeep today.
Shut the fuck up! Hey, I don't even know how to take a Jeep! That's why they said I didn't need to do my hair. Okay, my hair's not the way I want it to be. I think it's fine.
Of course, we're being nicely. We got you a tutor. So guys, mo ni si Kuya Johan, kaya ang utulo ni di sa the art of conducting a jeep. Sige, tuloy siya.
Kami ray mo nung sa konduktor ngayon para na mo. Ang muara, ang tanaw ra ka, kinsay ng liti.
Liability kuya?
7.
7 pesos.
Kaya unsa yung ibuhaton para mo hunong ang jeep?
Ang pasahero mo, ingon naman na nga lugar lang, mura tok-tok lang.
Iyon sa mana na kung di sila mo bayad.
Mo lang mo nga, kinsa tong nga kapliti, palihog lang.
What if masuko sila na ko? Hindi ba ako kiba mo away?
But it's your job to make sure everyone pays, okay?
Okay, kuya, I got you. I got you, kuya.
Manilili carbon man ha.
We're going to Carbon. I just saw my bolo!
This is your outfit. You have to look the part.
Where am I gonna change? Sasuod na lang sa jeep. Ah, sige. Manalali!
Nilarga namin. You remember your job. You have to call people. Yeah, you have to make sure na makasakay sila na to.
Ako ang conductor ko ron. Ate, samok ko.
No, you have to be Bisaya all the time, eh.
I'm speaking Bisaya.
Ito, grabe, Bisaya. I'm speaking in Bisaya.
My first split eh.
You have to make sure
Thank
it's
you.
right. Kaya ikaw makatapal.
Hi.
You don't have to say hi every time someone gets in the jeep.
Hi mga bay. Nami diri sa nagtrabaho karon. So kung gusto mo sakay, kuyog na lang dito kung duol mo sa mabolo karon. Carbon, manalili. Carbon, manalili. Asa ka pa, Dong? Kuya, asa ka pa, Dong? Carbon, manalili. Hi, Carbon, manalili. Yes? Oh, yay! Oh, hello! Hi! Oh, wow! First day ni nako, pwede ko mamliti daan pero di kong kalimot mo niya. At least there's no chickens this time. Why is the street called Hippodromo?
Hippodromo is lumbanan sa kabayo ba?
See, Dave, if I didn't have a conversation, then I wouldn't know why it's called Hippodromo. Come to the Philippines and take a jeep. It's a cultural experience. Carbon, manalili! How do you pronounce Carbon more spot?
Make your voice deeper.
Deeper?
Yeah.
Carbon, manalili! Are you going to Carbon?
Bisaya lagi.
Anong mo Carbon?
I feel like ako'y gider. Nalingaw dyan kayo dyan sa kibuan. Katawa ko ni mo, you say hi to everyone.
Hello, 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 hello. Hi. Kuya, am I doing a good job? Mayo ko magtrabaho, kuya. Mayo lang kong plite daan, ate. Ma'am,
Say manginhas.
what does that mean? Collect?
Yeah.
Manginhas lang kong plite daan. Is that right? Is it right? Ansay pasabot sa manginhas? Fishing. Fishing? Maningil? Maningil, okay. That's more comfortable.
So it's getting really crowded in the jeep. He has no place to sit, so Lincoln na lang is just tunga. No, you say skit-skitty lang.
Oh,
Nice!
sikit-sikiti lang, palihog. Mabolo, panagdait! Hi.
Okay, so what have you learned?
We do have a system, but I feel like all of this can be more comfortable and more efficient through technology. What's this, a chicken? Ah! Ah! So, waka hibaw, hadlok kay kog manok. Yes! Yes! Oh, yes, Sarah. Libre na lang, ma'am. Hello. Hey, maningil lang complete daan. Libre ra daw ang iro. Oh, what happened? Are you okay?
Nothing.
Naningkog mo, lagi ka na, ha?
Don't judge him.
It's okay, you can do it, I'm just kidding. Dave does it all the time.
What?
Kabaw ka nagpa-Brazilian wax ni siya. Kay drag queen sad ni siya.
Naabot namin sa end sa route sa jeep. So magpasalamat pa ni Kuya Joan. Ngayon may gipagamit sa
Salamat,
jeep.
Kuya.
Salamat kay Kuya. So, Di, what did you learn?
I learned that there's so much about my own culture I don't know yet. So I'm thankful for the experience. That means I'll give you a nice dare next week too, Dave.
Okay, so guys, we paid 500 pesos sa tagiya sa jeepney driver. So, kamo, if feel ninyo kaya ninyo i-dare yung friends, dare and tag those friends in this video. And don't forget to follow our social media accounts, like my Facebook page, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Dodong Dave. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Twitter at Dave Kirante.
And follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube at DavidWildX.
Okay, so that's it for this episode. Tune in next week.